Hello to all. This video is on request from one comment. You have asked me how to install Adobe Illustrator 2023 from your iPad. Now, we are here into my iPad. On the first page, you should find App Store. You click it and you are into the App Store. In the search bar, you write Adobe Illustrator. You pick the first one. You see it on the right. Always the first one because maybe the other ones aren't original. You control that's original. Yes, it seems so. Yes, here 2023 Adobe All-Right Recept. It's original. You click download. We will not install virus, and then we should wait. And do you have used it in the past or no? Me, yes, but I prefer Procreate. Procreate, it's not free, but it's not too much expensive. It costs only like $9 or €9, and it's forever. It's not every month pay. But I prefer use it. But now we can see Adobe Illustrator. It's here. Then one time it's installed, you should make login with your email or your Apple account. Your Apple account is better, it's easier. And then you should control that the email is right. You will receive an email where it's written confirm that's your email. You write yes, you click yes, and that's made it. You should control that language is not Korean, because you see here language is Korean, French, Japan, English, and German. But it's pre-installed in Korean, and that's not good for us. Yes. Instead, if you are Korean, it's good. And now it's written Apri. It's open in Italian. You open Adobe Illustrator, and now you see it's all in Japanese in this case. And then here you can go with Adobe ED, with Apple, with Google, or with Facebook. You click Apple or Google, and then you go. You can go in this way. Yes. And here you see all conditions. You should accept it. You should always accept. And here you have Adobe Illustrator, all in Japanese. It's not easy to use, yes. For this reason, I prefer not to use, not using Adobe Illustrator. All in Japanese. It's horrible. But if you want it in English, you should go in settings, and then from settings you can select. You go into iPad settings. You search Adobe Illustrator. You select language, and you pick English. How you see here, you should pay every month quite $10, €10, like such, like this. I'm sorry, I'm not really good in English, but I hope you have understood. If you haven't understood, you can write it in the comments and ask me everything I have said. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Bye.